I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 14th to May the 21st reading. Ayan, welcome to Timeless Tarot 111, also known as Babaylan TV. Ayan, this is where intelligent spiritual people meet. So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Virgo, medyo parang ayaw nating magsalita. Masyado nating kinikimkim lately yung mga nangyayari. I feel like hindi ko sinasabing hindi ko ini-invalidate, no? Ang inyong feelings. Kasi for you, medyo it's a big deal, no? For your person, parang sinasabi niyo ay umaarte ka lang naman or masyadong pinapalaki. I think that these person don't know or your person don't know kung ano talaga yung kumbaga may trauma no? May trauma yung either sinabi, ginawa. Pero parang sa kanya yung assumption niya, you're making a fuss out of it. So ngayon, parang ayaw mo siya kausapin. Chances are, nagkukulong ka sa kwarto. It's more than tampo ito. Kasi meron ditong parang, yung implications niya, parang nagkaroon ng emotional damage. That's for sure. Yung iba sa inyo siguro, no? Yung may mga sakit. Like literally. Yung may masakit ang katawan, no? Nilalagnat. Siguro that's also your body's reaction, no? Doon sa hindi magandang energy na na-receive mo kay person. Singles, ang nakikita ko naman sa inyo, siguro kine-question na niya yung sarili niyo. Hindi naman ako pangit, hindi naman ako mabaho, naliligo naman ako araw-araw, no? Maayos naman ako magdamit, presentable naman, no? Nagsisipilyo naman ako palagi. Bakit walang tao, no? Walang person na nag-approach sa akin? Am I going to be in this situation, no? For 2025? Uy, baka naman, no? Meron dyan na kumatok. Ayan. For the crushes, yung may mga crushes and no labels, or nandun sa situationship, I think dito pumapasok yung I think we're becoming obsessed, no, with the person's energy, to a point na medyo pinupush na natin yung relationship. Kasi parang at first okay lang, no, sumasakay-sakay lang si person, sumasakay-sakay ka lang din. Pero now I feel like merong push. I think that you're for some reason si person medyo natakot, no, doon sa mga either nasabi mo or kinikilos mo ngayon, medyo may distance ngayon. Doon sa mga in a relationship, siguro gusto mo muna ng space. Ayaw mo muna siya makita, ayaw mo muna siya makausap. Married couple, ang hirap kasi humanap ng space kapag married na yung no, yung couple eh. Siguro hanggang kwarto na lang, no, or baka doon ka muna, no, doon muna yung isa sa outside ako lang muna, no. third-party situation, nandito yung nafe-feel. Third-party situation and yung separated couples, medyo nafe-feel na natin yung distance. Parang feeling natin, is this gonna be the end of my relationship with my person? No? The Temperance, the Chariot, o yung dalawang major arcana ha, and the Ace of Wands. I think someone here is trying, no? Either magpakumbaba or reaching out. Siguro, no? Parang sinusuyo eh. Meron dito parang sinusuyo yung energy, pero hindi talaga pwede pa. I feel like malaki yung or malalim yung sugat na nagawa, no? Nito ni person sa atin. Parang kasing doon sa mga married couples or doon sa mga nagpa-practice ng premarital sex, no? No judgment ha. I'm just reading a card. Do you, no? As long as you know the implications of what you're doing. Parang mas na-feel nila yung distance, no? Yung coldness mo. Parang, okay, yung tinatawag nila, patay na bata lang ako dito, tapos ka na, okay na. Parang hindi nila nakikita yung passion, no? It is because meron kang nararamdaman niyang hindi maganda. Siguro, katawan, pagod, or talagang napapagod na rin tayo sa relationship, no? Singles, ayan. Sa mga singles, mas hindi naman sa parang feeling mo mauubusan ka, pero parang mas na makikita ko yung porsigido tayo this week, no? The World card, the Two of Cups, the Justice. Ang maganda naman dito is harmony. Right after this, I feel like someone already, sabi natin, learned their lessons. Nakakita ko dito ng malaking pagbabago din naman, no? Kay person, especially parang dito nyo ma-realize na, oo nga, nasaktan ko siya. But I didn't mean to, pero nangyari na yung nangyari, no? I feel like kailangan kong bumawi, whether this is in literal form of a gift, or an energy ba, no? Kumbaga, sige, this time medyo magiging close ako sa'yo, no? Lalapit ako sa'yo. I'm going to make sure na medyo nandito ako sa tabi mo, no? To pacify, no, yung energy, to pacify na wala naman talaga nangyayaring iba, and to make you a little calmer, kasi medyo heightened yung emotions natin dito ngayon, no? Page of Pentacles, the King of Cups, the Seven of Wands. Parang feeling ko kahit anong pushback mo dito kay person, gagawa siya ng way para either mapatawad, gagawa ng way para maibalik yung mga dating nawala. Doon sa mga tumakbo at natakot, sa mga crushes and no labels, I feel like that is your person's initial reaction. Pero with the Justice naman in here, parang, uy, sorry na, siguro nabigla lang ako, no? Yung mga ganong litanya. Ayoko mawala ka, no? So kahit paano, mafe-feel mo rin naman. At ikaw naman, on your part, masasabi mo na, okay, ayaw niya pala na minamadali, so babagalan ko na lang. Pero nandito pa rin yung continuous, no? Yung relation, natusok yung mata ko ng buhok. Continuous yung relationship, no? Ninyo, ng yung person. Nagkaroon lang siya ng pause, nagkaroon lang siya ng sabihin nating silence, pero yung kaba kasi na magbe-break ba kami or is this gonna be the end? I feel like this is not it. Chances are, no, this week might be also the week of reconciliation. Nandito yun magkahalo itong week na to yung away bate, no? So it felt like mawawash away din naman kung ano yung mga anxieties natin o iniisip natin dito kay person or iniisip nila sa'yo, no? This is your reading, Virgo. Let's check your person's zodiac sign. Pero bago yan, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, Diyan po tayo nagla-live, no? So kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Ayan. Discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Ayan. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Pisces, Taurus, Libra, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius. Ayan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.